Hello everyone, it's Lucas from Altus. Today, we are going to learn how to download a project and log in into a PLC on Master Tool for the Nexto Xpress series. For that, we must select the device field. Click Device. Let's configure the gateway. By default, Master Tool will have already created a gateway. Remembering that the PC must be on the same IP network as the controller. So let's double-click on Gateway. Master Tool should find XP340 with default IP address. Now let's double-click the XP340 and make it bold. This means the controller is active. So, from that moment on I can download the project to this controller. Now, let's select the online field on the top bar. Select the Login or Alt plus F8 option. Select the Yes option. Select the Login with Download option, then select OK. At this time we don't want to transfer the source code. So, select the option No. Once we are logged into the physical PLC, we can disregard the input and output simulator. We can even hide it with a click on the pin symbol. Now, we will start the PLC by clicking on Play or F5. Select Yes. We are finally connected with the physical PLC. So, this was our 11th lesson for Nexto Xpress series. Don't forget to follow Altus channels on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks everyone, see you next time.